First time setup. To set up your new StoryPhones for the first time, use the QR code to download and install your iOS or Android app, or search for StoryPhones in the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Next, open the app and create a new account. Tap Add New StoryPhones. Switch on your headphones by holding down the power button for 3 seconds. Next, enter a name to call the headphones. Finally, select your Wi-Fi network and enter its password. The one-time setup is now complete. Downloading new content. To download new content, first make sure you are within range of your Wi-Fi network. Next, switch on your headphones by holding down the power button for 3 seconds. Place the new Story Shield with content you wish to download onto the headphones. You will hear a tone and see the LED flash yellow whilst the content is being downloaded. Depending on the content and your internet speed, the download may take a few minutes. Once it has completed, the light will stop flashing and the content will start playing automatically. If the content does not automatically play, just press the play button. Changing the Wi-Fi network. First switch on your headphones, then open your StoryPhones app. Click on the headphones you wish to change. In the Wi-Fi settings, select a different Wi-Fi network and add the password. Playback and volume controls. To pause playing of the content, press the middle button of the right ear cup once. To resume playback, press the button again. To listen to the previous chapter, rotate the shield in a clockwise direction. And to go to the next chapter, rotate in an anti-clockwise direction. Alternatively, you can press the back arrow on the right ear cup to go back a chapter, or press the forward arrow for the next chapter. To fast forward the current content, press and hold the forward arrow on the right ear cup. To rewind backwards, press and hold the back arrow on the right ear cup. To increase volume level on the headphones, tap the plus button on the right ear cup or tap the minus button to decrease the volume. Call controls. In Bluetooth headphone mode, to answer an incoming call, press the middle button on the right ear cup once. To end an existing call, press the middle button once. To reject an incoming call, press and hold the middle button for 1 second. Set the volume limit. To set the volume limit on your headphones, first switch on your headphones, then open your StoryPhones app. Click on the headphone you wish to change. In the audio settings, toggle Safe Audio on and select the volume limit you wish to use. Charging headphones. When the headphones are low on battery, the LED will flash red. To recharge the headphones, connect a USB Type-C cable to the charging port found on the right ear cup. Charging will take approximately 2 to 3 hours. Once fully charged, the LED will show a constant green light. You may then remove the cable. Removing earpads. If you need to remove the earpads for cleaning or any other purpose, hold the earpads firmly and twist in an anti-clockwise direction. To replace the earpads, align the hooks into the grooves and turn in a clockwise direction. Factory reset. If you're experiencing issues with your StoryPhones, you can try a factory reset. First, switch on the headphones by holding down the power button for 2 seconds. Next, hold the power button and the volume up button together for 10 seconds. You will see the LED lights flash red and hear a confirmation message. Wired connection. To use as a standard wired headphone, connect one end of the 3.5mm audio cable to the left ear cup and the other end to your audio device. Removing headphones from the app. If you are no longer in possession of the headphones and wish to remove it from the app, first open the app and then in the headphone settings, scroll down to the bottom and tap Remove Headphones. Change story language. To change the language of the stories that are being downloaded, first switch on your headphones, then open your StoryPhones app. Go to the settings page and change the language to the one you desire.